Welcome to T1GER's tuning system. Using the shop creator, admins can customize each shop with unique names, jobs, initial funds, mod categories, and blip settings. Admins can also manage and oversee created tuner shops. Admins can assign or remove a shop boss. They can also update the shop's account balance. Each shop can be restricted to specific mod categories, allowing for specialized tuner shops. Admins can also manage markers, set delivery points, or delete the shop. Admins can create multiple classes of markers, each customizable with unique names, visuals, and blip settings. Admins can view all created markers and teleport to, edit, or delete them. When editing a marker, admins can reposition it and customize its name, visuals, and blip settings. At the duty marker, tuners can clock in or out of duty. At the boss marker, shop bosses can manage the account, deposit, and withdraw funds. Shop bosses can also manage employees by promoting or firing them. They can also recruit nearby players as new employees. Finally, the bosses can specify the shop's markup percentage. The built-in garage system allows employees to store or retrieve their personally owned vehicles at the garage marker. The storage marker allows employees to store and retrieve useful items with support for various inventory systems. The Workbench Marker allows employees to craft items using recipes that require materials. Recipes are fully configurable, and the skill bar feature can be disabled if desired. The Laptop Marker allows employees to order useful items instead of crafting. Orders can be delivered directly to a storage marker or the player's inventory. The Tuning Bay markers are the central spot where employees carry out their work, completing mod orders, installing Nitrous Kits, and performing engine swaps. We'll explore these features in more detail later. At the Customs marker in a tuner shop, players can access a self-service customization menu limited to the modification categories enabled for that shop. There will also be a prompt to quick repair the vehicle for configurable base price. This feature can also be disabled, encouraging roleplay with mechanics. Explore all available GTA tuning options, including DLC mods and the latest GTA Online Chop Shop update featuring 7 new custom plates. Create unique respray combinations or choose from the standard GTA color palette. The system also supports special resprays like Chameleon, Udall, and Worn, which can also be applied to certain wheels and interiors. Configurable options in the configuration file allow you to disable specific mods, such as weapon mods, restrict immediate purchases to encourage roleplay opportunities for tuners, and enable or disable incentivized pricing for immediate payments. You can also set a desired incentivized percentage to be added to mod prices for instant purchases. The tuning system features an advanced pricing system for a balanced and realistic economy. Price escalation allows you to set a percentage between 0 and 100 to increase mod prices progressively. Setting it to 0 disables escalation, keeping prices flat for all variants. Higher upgrades cost more with escalation enabled. Parts acquisition costs let you include or exclude the cost of parts in the final mod price. If enabled, the part cost is added to reflect the expense of sourcing materials. Tiered pricing bases mod prices on the vehicle's value, using caps and multipliers. More expensive vehicles have higher mod costs. Disabling this feature makes all prices the same, regardless of the vehicle's value. Base price configuration lets you set a starting price for each mod type. This system is highly customizable to suit your server's economy and player dynamics. Players can preview all modifications live before adding them to their basket. Once satisfied with the customization, they have the option to either pay immediately for instant modifications at an incentivized price, or submit a mod order at a discounted rate, requiring tuners to complete the installations. To begin working on a mod order, the tuner must bring the specified vehicle to an available tuning bay marker. This obviously requires the vehicle to have a mod order submitted from the customs menu. A custom workflow UI will guide the tuner through each step, requiring the manual installation of all ordered mods using the appropriate items. When the tuner uses a mod item, a menu of mod options will appear. The tuner must choose the correct variant from the order. A prop showing the mod will appear in the tuner's hands with animations. The tuner targets the vehicle at the hood, trunk, side, or wheel, then completes a skill check if enabled, and starts the installation animation. Once done, the vehicle's properties update with the new mod, and the item is removed. If the correct mod variant is installed, it will be marked as complete in the workflow UI, letting the tuner move to the next task. If not, the tuner must repeat the process with the right item. Tuners can always stop work and resume as they like. Once all installations are finished, the customer's prepaid amount will be credited to the shop's account, and the customer can take their modified vehicle. Configure engines based on vehicle class, allowing for unique engine sounds using either GTA's default or custom streamed sounds. Each engine can have a custom label, price, and optional icon. The script comes pre-configured with 4 to 5 engines per vehicle class, giving you the flexibility to maintain realistic sound profiles and prevent mismatches, like a basic car sounding like a supercar, although you have full control over the sound assignments. Engine swaps do not affect vehicle handling. They are designed solely to alter the vehicle's sound. Tuners can bring any vehicle to the tuning bay marker, select engine swaps, and view a list of available engines based on the vehicle's class. Once an engine is ordered, the tuner must prepare and extract the old engine using a hoist, wait for the new engine to arrive, and then install it into the vehicle, all with realistic props and immersive animations. Engine sounds are synchronized across all players using state bags and saved in the database for owned vehicles, ensuring persistence even after server restarts. Tuners can install Nitrous Kits at the tuning bay, selecting the kit size in pounds, with each pound providing 10 shots of Nitrous Burst. The installation process is detailed and immersive, requiring tuners to prepare the engine bay with props and animations to fit the new kit. To extend the Nitrous Burst duration, tuners can install Burst Upgrade Kits, which increase the burst threshold from the default value to a maximum configurable limit. The installation follows the same detailed process, complete with props and animations. Admins can set up these burst kits in the configuration file with customized thresholds. Tuners can enhance vehicle performance by installing drift tires, enabling drift mode for improved control during drifting. The system also allows for resetting to standard performance by reinstalling stock tires. Both actions are facilitated through the use of consumable items, adding a layer of immersion with detailed animations and props. This feature brings realistic customization options and dynamic driving mechanics to enhance the player experience. Tuners can inject a Purge dye item into the Nitrous Kit to apply personalized RGB colors to the Purge effects. The Purge button allows players to expel excess nitrous gas while stationary, boosting the effectiveness of the Nitrous Burst. The Burst button boosts vehicle performance, using 1 shot of nitrous per second. The performance is directly linked to the Purge efficiency. Misusing the Nitrous Burst can cause engine damage. Nitrous 10 shots bottles, containing 1 pound of nitrous each, can be purchased by tuners to refill a vehicle's nitrous capacity, providing 10 shots per use. Empty bottles can be refilled at designated locations around the map, with finite nitrous supplies that reset after each server restart. The tuner tablet is an essential tool for every tuner, offering a range of functionalities to enhance vehicle diagnostics and shop operations. When connected to a vehicle, it provides vital information such as engine and body health values, fuel level, and details about the installed GTA performance parts, including the engine, brakes, transmission, suspension, turbo, and armor. It also grants access to the dyno for fine-tuning vehicle handling. When not connected to a vehicle, the tuner tablet allows tuners to create and manage bills, request NPC jobs during low player activity, and view a comprehensive list of submitted mod orders along with detailed information on each order. Dyno Tuning is accessed through the tuner tablet when connected to a vehicle. The dyno shows detailed information about the vehicle's current modifiers. Torque represents the drive force at the wheels. Power determines how fast the engine revs. Brakes adjust the braking strength by multiplying the game's deceleration. A higher number means stronger braking. The fine-tuning slider lets you precisely modify these performance parameters. A hard reset option is available to restore all modifiers to default values. Mobile tuning job. This job involves responding to customer requests for on-site performance upgrades or cosmetic mods. Tuners get instructions on the required installation and must bring the correct part to the location. The tuner interacts with the NPC to confirm the mod variant and installs it using the required item. Correct installation is a key for successful completion and payment. This job can be customized with settings like cooldown times, car and PED models, blip customization, and cash rewards. The system includes 12 predefined locations with the option to add more. Salvage job. Tuners are tasked with finding and salvaging junk cars to recover materials and valuable parts. The tuner must use third-eye targeting on different parts of the vehicle to salvage it. This job is highly customizable, with options to set cooldown times, choose specific junk car models, and customize map blips. You can also configure skill check requirements and set the probability and quantity of rewards. The system includes 7 predefined locations with the option to add more to fit your server's needs. The system includes pre-configured self-service mod stations specifically designed for whitelisted jobs. Each station offers configurable options such as location coordinates, accessible job roles, permitted modifications, and the ability to toggle modification costs and map blip visibility. This feature is particularly beneficial for roles like law enforcement, enabling quick and efficient vehicle modifications before heading out on duty. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.